My name is Mohammed Niyaz. I have completed my business analyst and digital marketing course at GUVI. So my batch code was BAI and CWDE B2. First of all, I want to thank GUVI, especially coordinators, HOs and mentors. They won't hesitate to solve all our problems or any questions we have been facing. The course which I have been done, right, I was a bit unsure what I'm going to do. But after mentor's support, the knowledge they have been shared, that was, I just cleared my mind and I had a structured plan what I want to do, what I will do in my future. I just was very sharp and clear, and I just got real-time experience on all the tools which needed in business analyst and digital marketing also. I worked on the real-time data set, which have been gave confidence to attend an interview or work on a job which I will go in my future. All the mentors support and knowledge will help me in higher positions. And I want to thank HR, especially the HR. She helped me with every query which I be facing without any hesitation. She replied, and the big standout was coordinators, HR, and mentors. They all just amazing support they gave. Right, they give importance to even small detail problem which I have been faced and solved within 24/7. That was amazing. They solved just like that. Thank you so much, all the coordinators, HR and GUVI members and mentors especially. Whoever wanna join GUVI and wanna upgrade them and wanna go see themselves as a higher positions, I hope they wanna stay consistent and please trust in the process and trust GUVI's process and have a consistent plan and work on real-time data sets and ask mentors for one-on-one. They will support you. I want to thank GUVI and all the members. Thank guys to, like, you really give all the hands-on experience and knowledge that will bright my future. Thanks GUVI. And again, stay consistent. Consistency is a key which helped me.